Make next heading. Today's class we are going to start, as I already told you, interconversion of states of matter. So please keep heading interconversion of states of matter. Princey, you cannot be like this, simply silent when I ask something. I won't be tolerant. You don't know me. Unless you solve the homeworks and all, I will never allow you to join also. Interconversion of states of matter. So we all know, so basically at the normal temperature, how many states of matter we have? Everybody? Yes, please.
5 states of matter.
Three states of matter. Understand, Mani? You never say 5 states. At the normal temperature basis, we are having only how many states of matter? Everybody?
3 states of matter.
3 states of matter. That is what? Solid. And another one is what? Liquid. And another one is what? Everybody? Gas. Clear?
Yeah.
So now, what do you mean by this interconversion of states of matter? Means in the sense of, let me talk in general language first. So if you observe very carefully, if I want to convert any kind of substance, for example, I'm having a solid substance, I want to make it into liquid, then the making, we are having some process, converting the solid into liquid. Same way, I want to make it some substance into gas. Then also we are having some process. So these kind of things. So converting one state of matter into another state is only called as, what is to call, everybody? Interconversion of states of matter. Understand? So we are having, according to us, according to you people, at the normal temperature and pressure, we are having only 3 states of matter. What are the 3 states of matter, everybody? Yes, please.
Solid,
Solid state, liquid state, and as well as gaseous state. Is it right or wrong? All of you?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So, okay. So write it. The change in physical state by. So, all right. First statement you write it. We all know that. We all know that. We all know that. That the 3 states of matter. The 3 states of matter are decided on the basis of, can you tell me on the basis of what? Physical factors. I want
Temperature, pressure,
to know. Yes.
intermolecular state.
That's all, Mari. Decided on the basis of what? Only 2. What is that? Everybody.
Temperature and pressure.
Basis of temperature and pressure. Is it okay, everybody?
Sir, can we say a force of attraction?
That is based upon this only, depend upon this only, correct, Mari? Force of attraction all decided by based upon this only, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is okay. So that is why we will say only 2. That is the physical factors. What they are? Temperature and pressure. Clear? Understand? So that is what. Now write the definition of interconversion of states of matter. What is the simple language? What is the states of conversion of matter? Interconversion of states of matter. So just converting one state of matter into another
state of matter.
Okay, that is what in a general language. But how? That is only matters in our today's class. Okay, Mr. Sam and Mr. Gokul Raj and Lakshanya, whomever it is, those who not solve the yesterday's work, tomorrow again I'll ask. If you solve really only, you can join in the class. Otherwise, you cannot join. Understand, Mr. Sam? I know you also not solved homework. Have you solved the homework? I told you to solve the exercise temperature measurement questions. Have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you done, really okay. Mr. Gokul Raj? Never solved. That's fine. Write the definition, everybody. The change in physical state. The change in physical state. The change in physical state by altering the physical factors. What is the physical factors? Everybody, Mr. Sam? What are the physical factors? Physical factors. What are the physical factors, guys? Such as girls? What are the physical factors? Temperature and Temperature and pressure. Understand, Alpin? Shivani? That is what.
Yes, sir.
Such as physical factors such as temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure is called physical change. Is called physical change. The change in temperature causes the change in temperature. The change in temperature. The change in temperature. Can anybody tell me temperature? Suppose increases. Something is increases. Anybody? Let me know who will say first.
Kinetic
Temperature
energy.
increases. Something.
Sir,
increases.
temperature
Very
increases, kinetic energy.
good. Very good. And temperature decreases. What will happen? Kinetic
Kinetic energy
Kinetic
decreases.
energy will
Now,
decrease.
have you noticed it? I am not saying increasing temperature or decreasing temperature. I am saying only the change in temperature. So what it will come? Everybody. Change in temperature. What will come? Kinetic energy changes. That's all correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? So the change in temperature, change in kinetic energy, the change in temperature, change in what, guys? Change in kinetic energy. Why I'm not saying here increasing or decreasing kinetic energy? Anybody? Because
Because
I'm not
it will
specifying
either
increasing
increases
temperature
or
or
decreases,
decreasing
sir.
temperature. Very good. That is what. So change in temperature, change in kinetic energy, and hence, so because of change in the kinetic energy decreases or kinetic energy increases, what it will affect? It will affect one physical quantity. Anybody can tell me? That is what we used to call. I used to say it starts with a V. Yes, please. And hence there is a change in what? Kinetic energy increases. Particles will go away from it. Kinetic energy decreases.
Sir, low force of attraction.
Not Mari. Physical quantity I am asking. Physical quantity. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. The change in kinetic energy. And hence there is change in what?
Movement of molecules.
Viscosity.
Volume. Understanding? And hence there is change in what, guys? Change in volume. Understand, Mari? Mr.
Yes,
Pranav?
sir.
Clear? Why I am mentioning change in volume? Everybody can tell? Because particles,
The
kinetic
molecules
energy
will
increases.
move further
Yeah.
away from each other.
Yes, kinetic energy increases. Particles will move away from it. So volume increases or decreases? Volume increases. Next, particles will come closer. Volume, what will happen? Everybody.
Decreases and
Decreases.
Decreases. Understand? Everybody. Clear? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what. Okay. Right. So next down. Increase in temperature causes expansion in volume or decrease in like water. Everybody. Increase in temperature causes expansion in volume. That expansion only we used to call something. Physical property of solid, liquid, gases. 3 we studied. Anybody? Shivani?
Thermal expansion.
Very good, Nivedan. Very
Cubic
good.
expansion or
That is
thermal
what
expansion.
I wanted. Thermal expansion. Make it, everybody. Increase in temperature causes expansion in volume. Why, guys? Kinetic energy increases or decreases? All of you. Yes, please. Expansion in volume. Kinetic energy increases or decreases? Yes, please. Increases. Causes expansion in volume, which is called expansion in volume. What we used to call? Change in volume. We used to call it as? All of you. Thermal expansion. Okay, everyone? That is what. So the volume decreases with the temperature or increases with the temperature? Everybody. The volume decreases with what? Decreasing temperature or increasing temperature? Everybody.
Sir, decreases with temperature means
Decreases with
volume will be decreased.
That is what, Mari. Decreases with the decreasing temperature or increasing temperature? That is I am asking you.
Decreases.
The volume decreases with what?
Decreasing temperature.
Understanding, Amma? Everybody clear? So that is what
Yes,
you
sir.
have to remember. I think now somebody joined and again they left. So that is what you have to remember. Any doubt, you can say that. All of you. So if I cool it, so based upon this statement, if I cool it, you tell me. So generally shrinking of substances will take place. On increasing temperature, space is increasing or decreasing, interparticle space. Everybody, generally let us discuss. Interparticle space is decreasing or increasing by increasing temperature. Temperature is increases. Interparticle space is increases or decreases. Everybody.
Decreases, sir.
Temperature increasing, Mari. Interparticle space. I'm asking space. Space increases or
The
decreases.
space will be increases.
Space
There will be
increases.
more
And
gap in it, sir.
opposite. Yeah. Kinetic energy increases, space increases, but somebody is decreases. Let me see who will says that. Girls.
The volume.
Volume not. Volume also increases only, girl. If temperature increases, volume also increases only. Some other. Anybody? Gokul Raj, you have to speak. You cannot be like this. Otherwise, you can leave from the meeting. Yes, Mr. Sam? If the
The force of
temperature,
attraction.
on increasing temperature, you all people.
The attraction between the molecules
Yes,
decreases.
that is what I'm expecting. Force of attraction. Force of attraction decreases or increases? Everybody.
Decreases.
Understanding?
Decreases.
So, this is only causing the change of state from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. So, all of you observe, by increasing temperature, so by increasing temperature, what it is increasing? All of you, by increasing temperature, interparticle space is increasing. Interparticle space is increases. But what it is decreasing? Everybody. And interparticle, what is that? Interparticle forces of attraction. Force of attraction decreases or increases? Interparticle force of
Decreases.
attraction. All of you? Interparticle force of
Decreases.
attraction decreases.
Decreases.
So, because of this only, which results in change of state from where to where, guys? Change of state from where to where? From solid to respond liquid, and liquid to what? Liquid to gas also.
Gas.
That is what. So if you want to convert solid to liquid, liquid to gas, you have to increase the temperature or decrease the temperature? Everybody.
Increase the temperature.
Increase the
Increase the
temperature.
temperature. Now, if I do the reverse process, can you tell me by decreasing temperature, what it will come? You'd speak. I am not. If I am speaking, no use much. I want from my students. If I do the
Sir,
reverse
one doubt,
process, what will
sir.
happen?
Sir, one
Yes,
doubt, sir.
ask me, Mari.
Sir, solid to liquid, we need to melt it only.
That Mari, common process I am saying, Mari. Everything increasing temperature only. I am not specifying the name. Just I am saying it. Clear, Mari?
Then the temperature decreases, no, sir.
Where
So that
temperature
it will
decreases?
become solid. So when we increase the temperature, it will melt and
That's what I am saying.
liquid.
I never use the word melting and all. Temperature increases, solid
Yes, sir.
converting into liquid, and liquids
Yes, sir.
converting into gas. That's all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you do the reverse process, what is the changes will happen, guys? Change in what will happen, everybody?
Sir, gas will
Decrease in
become
temperature.
liquid, sir. Liquid will become solid.
What is the changes will happen? That's what I am asking.
Sir, in decrease
Decreasing
in
the temperature.
temperature, there will be decrease in intermolecular
Space and increase in
and
force of attraction.
increase in force of attraction.
Yes. Purima, so that gases will be converting into liquids,
Liquid.
and liquids will be converting into solids.
Solid.
Clear? Same way. Now, you might be studied properties of solids, properties of liquids, and properties of gases. By applying the pressure, whom we can compress more? Solids, liquids, or gases? Whom we can highly compress?
Gas.
Highly compressible.
Gas.
Yes, please. Gas. Yes or no? That is what. So,
Yes.
by change in pressure also, generally we can talk. We can change the volume or not. Everybody? Yes, please. All of you? Nobody. By changing the, yes, please respond. So, similarly, by changing the pressure, change in pressure also can cause us what, guys? also change the volume. Is it right or wrong, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Causes
Sir,
change
when
in
the
volume.
when the pressure increases, we
Yeah.
need to decrease the
Volume decreases. Clear? Sam,
Yes,
understand, Sam? Increase in pressure causes what, guys?
decrease it will
Decrease
the
in
temperature.
interparticle space. Decrease in interparticle space. What will happen because of that? Interparticle
Sir,
forces. Forces will increase or
decrease in
decreases.
temperature also, no, sir.
Yes, temperature you forgot it, Mari. Only pressure we are talking. Temperature already over. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because now I am saying that we are having a two physical factors who can change, who will help us to change the state of matter. Who is that? One is temperature and another one is what?
Pressure.
Pressure. That is what we are discussing now. Understand? But with
Yes,
the
sir.
pressure, we cannot change the state of matter for
Sir,
all
we
the
can.
substances. For all the substances. Only whom we can compress more? Everybody.
Gas.
Gas.
Sir, gases.
Yeah, solids and liquids are negligible compressibility. So, but only whatever we are discussing about the pressure, we'll discuss about only gases. That's fine. But commonly we are saying. So change in
Yes.
pressure also causes change in volume. So if I increase the pressure, increase in pressure, what will cause us? Decrease in volume or increase in volume? Everybody.
Increase in volume.
Yeah, increase in pressure will cause us what, guys? Two changes will take.
Decrease in volume.
First one.
Increase in volume.
Please respond. First change. Decrease in what?
Decrease in volume.
Volume.
Increase in force of
Interparticle space.
attraction.
Interparticle space decreases. What increases?
Sir, force of attraction.
Yeah, increases interparticle forces. Interparticle forces. So the
Forces.
understanding? So reverse process. Hence, gas will converting into what? All of you. Gas will converting into liquid. Understanding? Liquid will be converting into
solid.
liquid will be converting into everybody solid. Clear?
Solid.
If I reverse process, if I decrease the pressure, what will happen? Solid will converting into liquid. Liquid will be again back into what? Everybody. Yes, please. Liquid will be converting into what, guys? Gas. So from this, we can conclude something. The state of matter changes due to the change in two things. What is the two things? Everybody. The
Temperature
state
and
of
pressure.
matter
Temperature and
changes due to the change in two things. What is that, guys?
Increase in
and
liquid
pressure.
Temperature and pressure.
Pressure.
Clear? So that is why in most of the cases, both temperature and pressure play important role in conversion of state. Majority of the cases, both will be. Understanding? And very few cases only, any one it will be. But most of the cases, this both will help to conversion of states of matter. So that is what. So let us see, let us take the most common substance which we are using in our daily life. That is what? Water. So have you wondered water is in food? You can see, sorry, fridge. What is the state of water? What is the state of water? Water is actually basically what is the state of water? What is the state of water in our normal things?
Liquid.
Liquid. But if you put in a deep freeze, what is that? Solid. If you
Solid.
evaporate it, it will turn into what?
Gas.
Yes,
Gas.
Water vapor.
gaseous state. But for you people only, I have taught you one wonderful thing. That is what? Water is having maximum density at what temperature? Anybody? Any one of you at least remember, let me know. While I'm teaching physics, I have taught you. I have taught you people. Anomalous behavior of water. Do you remember, Mari, Sanjay? Not all the people. I think very few people are there by that time. I think 8th class I have taught you. Is it correct, Mari?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. So when the water will be having maximum density, anybody's at what temperature? Anyone? At 4 degrees.
Sir, when it is in 0 degrees Celsius. Sir.
No, at 4 degrees Celsius. At what temperature?
Sir, yes, sir, in the polar bears.
Yeah, polar bears and all. Do you remember everybody, Shivani? Polar bears, how they can survive, how they will catch the fish. Up ice will be there, down if they will dig, still water will be there. Have you all remember? When I taught,
Yes, sir.
I think this year or last year, for 8th
Sir,
or
8th year ending time, sir. 8th
yeah,
ending
8th
time.
ending time. That's why I think you people don't know. That's fine. But you remember The maximum density of water at what temperature, guys? Everybody?
4
Yes,
degrees Celsius.
at
4
4
degrees
degrees Celsius. That is what. Okay. So, right. Water is called the wonder liquid. Water is called wonder liquid. So, water can be exist in 3 states. What is the 3 states of water? Everybody?
solid, liquid, gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas. Water is that is what I say. Liquid water and gases, gas vapor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is right. Water is called wonder liquid because it has unique properties. What are the unique properties? By increasing temperature, density decreases. Understanding? By decreasing temperature, density, keep it in mind. Temperature increases, density, what will happen? Girls, decreases. Temperature decreases, density, what will happen? Everybody, increases. Generally for all the substances, temperature increases, density, what will happen, Rasam? Density decreases. Temperature decreases, density increases.
Sir,
But
same as way
yeah,
diffusion
understanding,
decreases.
but yes, but same for water also. Water also understanding, but at 4 degrees Celsius, water will attains what density? Water will attains the
Its highest
maximum
density.
maximum density. Understanding? So for water alone, if you go temperature above 4 degrees Celsius, density decreases. If you go temperature below 4 degrees also, density decreases or increases? Density decreasing only. Understand, Ra? Only at 4 degrees Celsius, water is having what? Everybody, please respond. Maximum density. That is why it is called as what liquid? We used to call as, all of you, wonder liquid. Is it okay, guys? Clear?
Sir,
Yeah. Any doubt, ask me. Okay, guys? Puri Mama. So
yes,
if you go
sir.
to Antarctica, we can see all the 3 states of matter at a time. Is it right or wrong? Do you accept it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because we can see solid ice, Antarctica. And if you dig the ice, below water will be there. And if you see the atmosphere, it will be having what? Water will be in what state? Water is in what state? Everybody, gaseous
Gas.
state. That is what. So if you go to even our house also we can see. If you put the water in refrigerator, it will turns into what? Now summer. Have you noticed in your fridge when the ice formation is more? Summer or winter or rainy season? When it will be ice formation is more faster? Anybody? Ice formation is more faster. Which season? Summer or winter? Your
Rainfall
fridge.
season.
Mari? Sam?
Winter, sir.
Sir, rainfall season, sir.
No. Do you understand, everybody? All of you be very careful. Today I will introduce you on something which is very important for you. So that is what? All of you observe. If the temperature difference is more, understanding, for example, 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Next, if the temperature difference is like 0 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, now you observe very carefully, whatever the process, the heat exchange between these two or fall in temperature in between these two. For example, I want to bring it, both are 15 degrees Celsius. This is also 15 degrees Celsius. Then in which substance I can bring it faster? Anybody can tell me? First substance or second substance? All of you? I want to bring it into 15 degrees Celsius. And this is also 15 degrees Celsius. This
Sir, 20
substance is at
degrees
40.
Second one,
This is
sir.
at, yeah.
Second.
Yeah. You all people, that is the main. Our mind will stop there only. Be very careful. Temperature difference is higher. The rate of falling the temperature is more faster. Exchanging. Do you all understand what I am saying? Rate of diffusion or whatever it is, higher the difference, more faster will be the rate of reaction. Do you all understand what I am saying, Alvin?
Yes.
Yeah. So all of you observe. For example, my body is at, let me imagine, 100 degrees Celsius. I want to bring it into 50 degrees Celsius. It has taken 1 hour. Now, I want to bring it from 50 to 20 degrees Celsius. Understanding? Now you tell me how much time it will take. More than 1 hour or less than 1 hour or equals to 1 hour. Anybody? Here almost minus 50 degrees Celsius. Now here only 30 degrees Celsius. Now tell me, it will take 1 hour or less than 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Anybody?
Still 1 hour.
Yeah. But it is not less than 1 hour. It will take how much time? Everybody? More than
1 hour.
understanding. Even you will go to higher classes, you will calculate it how much time also. Because here, if you notice it, see, I want to bring it finally 20 degrees. From where? 100 degrees to 20. What is the difference? Everybody? What is the difference, Ra? 80. How much is the difference? 100 and 20.
80.
Almost, of course, 0 means 80, Mari. Okay, 100. 80 degrees temperature. Temperature difference is more, so that exchange of heat energy will be faster. Understand, Mari? What I'm saying? So, if once the temperature will come to 50, the differences between 50 and 30 is very small. So that, sorry, 20. So, it will take more time to exchange the heat, because the temperature difference is less, so the particles kinetic energy also less. So the diffusion, it will take more time compared to when the temperature difference is high. So from 100 to 50, if it will take 1 hour, 50 to 20, definitely it will take what? More than everybody, not less than
More
1
than
hour.
1 hour.
More than 1 hour. Do you all understand Amma, what I'm saying? Shivani? Difference is higher, fall in temperature is more faster. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you see in our defreeze. Now I am challenging you people. Observe and tell me. Your defrigerator inside your fridge. Now ice cubes are formed very, very big, or winter season formed. Just you remember and you tell me, or else now you go to your kitchen and you see your defreeze having more like mountains like ice. Understanding? Why? Anybody can tell? What is the reason? All of you. The same phenomenon.
Sir, in which season, sir?
Because winter season already temperature is low. Do you understand, Mari? Everybody? Mr. Saraswat?
Yes, sir.
Gokul? So that, is there any importance to decrease the temperature more faster? Anybody? No. Correct or not? But
Yes, sir.
now outside temperature is more than 40 degrees. So inside refrigerator temperature is very, very low. So that condensation of ice is very faster. You all understand, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
All of you. That is why in summer season only you can see very fastly people can get the ice cubes and all. You check it if you want. If I am wrong, you can verify it. Okay, guys? Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, one more challenge also I will give you. You pour 1 liter of water in plastic bottle, okay? And you kept in a defreeze. You keep in a defreeze and take one metal container which is having in your home. That is also 1 liter water. You pour it. Now, which one will be fastly freezing? Anybody can tell me? 1 liter. A water in plastic bottle or water in this metal container. Which one it will be fastly
Sir,
freezing?
metal, sir. Metal.
That is understanding. That difference will take place because of the same reason. Because here metal is a very good absorbent of temperature. Temperature means only increasing temperature or decreasing temperature also. Cooling also called as temperature. What is temperature? Yesterday we studied. What is temperature? The degree of hotness or degree of
Coldness.
coldness. Both are called as what? Everybody. Both are called as temperature. Ellame puriyuma? Understand amma? Yes, please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Okay, guys. Any doubt? Anybody can let me know. Understood? Okay. So that is what. Write it. So interconversion of states of matter. Let us see that. So what is the specialty of water? Why water is called as special liquid, wonder liquid? Because every substance's density decreases by increasing temperature. Density increases by decreasing temperature. Water also same like others, but water will attain the maximum density at what temperature? Everybody. Water will attain
Degrees.
the
4 degrees
temperature.
Celsius.
Everybody
4 degrees
at 4
4
degrees
degrees
Celsius.
Celsius.
Understanding? Below it, density decreases. Above 4 degrees also, density decreases or increases? Decreases only. Clear? That is why it is called as wonder liquid. Okay, guys, please respond. All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
that is what it is. Make it next. So let's start now. Right. Effects of change of temperature. Effects of change of temperature. But before that, we have to draw interstates of conversion. Let us draw it. Okay. So all of you make it triangle. You can make it. So I am taking a 3x. One is liquid, and here another egg which is having a gas, and another egg which is having a solid. So this is the interconnection of states of matter. What happened, Nivedan? You're making a phone call. Okay. So solid. So solid to liquid. What is the process we used to call as? Anybody can tell me? Solid to liquid. We used to call as, all of you.
Melting.
Melting. Understanding? Or we can say fusion. What is to call, guys? Melting
Fusion.
also called as fusion. You don't know this thing. Is it right or wrong? Have you heard about fusion? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I only taught, I think, lower classes. Fusion. Fusion or melting. Both are same. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Melting or fusion. Both are same. Next. Liquid to gas. Sorry, liquid to solid. Can you tell me what is the process?
Cooling.
Cooling illa. Liquid to gas.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Easy.
Okay, that is it. Next. Gas to, liquid to gas. What is to call? Everybody.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Evaporation is a natural process. We can take, what is the process name, Mari?
Vaporization.
Vaporization. Okay, ma? Vaporization, or we can say boiling. If it is a manual, boiling, or we can say natural, what is to call? All of you. Natural means evaporation. Purima, all of you, ma? Next. Reverse process of gas to liquid. What is to call? Everybody. Is to
Condensation.
call? Yes. Condensation. Clear? All of you. Okay, ma? Shivani? Condensation. Next. Solid to gas directly.
Sublimation.
Yes, everybody. Sublimation. Solid to gas directly we used to call sublimation. Then gas to solid directly, what is to call?
Deposition.
Or we can say sublimation. Ma, remember, gas to solid also we people can called sublimation only. Don't worry about another word, or else you can learn deposition. Okay, Ra? Purima? Yes, please. So this is
Yes,
what
sir.
called as, what is to call? Interconversion of states of matter. Till here in our today's class, anyone having any doubt, please kindly let me know. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, interconversion of states of matter. Purima, ellame understood? Everybody? Nivedan? That is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you understand this, then we'll go with the next thing. So that is what we'll write. Effects of change of temperature. So we are all very familiar with the effects of change of temperature. So let us discuss that now. So because of effect of temperature, increasing or decreasing, so let us discuss what will happen. So all of you keep heading. Effects of change in temperature. That is what is our next concept. Effects of change of temperature. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? All of you? So now, effects of change of temperature means, is it only increasing temperature or decreasing temperature or both?
Change in
Everybody?
temperature, sir.
Change in temperature. That is why we will say. So we know that state of matter can be changed either by increasing temperature or by, everybody, or by decreasing temperature. Yes or no? By increasing temperature, it will change us into what state to what state, guys? Everybody, girls, Abhirami? Yes, please. By increasing temperature, it will change from what state to what state? Solid will changes into liquid, liquid will changes into gas.
Gas.
Yeah, that is what. But by decreasing temperature, what will happen? Gas into
Gas,
liquid and liquid into
solid.
solid. That is what. So we know that the state of matter can be changed by increasing temperature. State of matter can be changed by what ways, guys? Can be changed either by
Of temperature by either by increasing in temperature,
or
Or
decreasing temperature.
decreasing in
Hasini, can you able to hear me? Are you writing the notes? I want response. Decreasing temperature. So let us discuss now. First one, Roman number 1, melting. What is that, guys? Melting. So just now I said melting also we can call it as. Melting also called as. What is to call? All of
fusion.
you. Fusion. Okay.
Fusion.
That is what. Yes, right. The change of state from solid to liquid. The change of state. The change of state from where to where, guys? Solid to which state?